it says find the sentence that correctly places the quotation mark. So they want you to find which of these answer choices is the quotations placed correctly. So is it Katie says Carter quotation marks, you must focus better in class if you sit in the front row? Or is it Katie says quotation marks, Carter, you may focus better in class if you sit in the front row? Or is it quotation marks, Katie says Carter, you may focus better if you sit in the front row? Which answer choice has the quotation marks placed correctly? So if we go back here, always know this, boys. You always put quotation marks after it says or said or asked. First, it's always going to tell you Katie said or Katie asked or Katie says this or anything like that. You always know that the quotations comes after they tell you who said it. So in this case, it should be Katie says Carter quotation marks Carter, because that's when she started talking. Carter, you may focus better in class if you sit in the front row, quotation marks, because that's when the sentence ends. So which one of these sentences, which of these answer choices is giving you the way I just told you that quotation marks should be? Yes, good job. It is the second one, because over here they didn't put the quotation marks in Carter, and she said the word Carter. And over here they put the quotation marks since the beginning when they're telling you Katie says. No, Katie did not say that. Like, she didn't say Katie says that Carter. No, Katie said, and then you put when she actually starts talking, which is Carter, you may focus better in class if you sit in the front row. Awesome job, boys. We are almost done. Now we are going to do science and question 9. Start off in question 19, and it says the human body is made up of many cells. Certain cells perform specific functions within the human body system. Find the human body that changes food into nutrients in the body that the body can use. So here they want you to find which one of these systems changes food into nutrients. So is it the respiratory system, the circulatory system, or the digestive system? So these are keywords: food into nutrients. The respiratory system. Can anybody tell me what the respiratory system is for? Like here in the picture, they're giving you an image of something. What is this? Do you know? These are our lungs. And what do we use our lungs for? Yes, we use our lungs to breathe. So is breathing changing food into nutrients? No. So this could not be our answer. What about our next one? Circulatory system. If you see here in the picture, you can see the heart, and you can see all these little lines of blue and red, and these are called the veins, boys. This is where your heart is pumping, and it's distributing blood all over your body. Does blood have to do anything with food? No, right? Good job. What about the digestive system? Here, it shows you your mouth, and then your trachea, and your stomach, and your intestines. Does this have to do with food? Does our food go into our mouth, which ends up in our stomach and then into our intestines? Yes, good job. So this should be our answer, because this is what we turn food into nutrients. And now our last question. Here's the diagram of the circulatory system and the digestive system. Find the statement that describes how the circulatory system and the digestive system work together. So this one's the circulatory and this one is the digestive. We know that this one has to do with blood going all over our veins, and the digestive has to do with food. So is it that the digestive system breaks down nutrients down and the circular system moves these nutrients through the body? Is it that the digestive system moves air from the circulatory system through our body? Or the digestive system moves oxygen into the circulatory system and the circulatory system pumps the oxygen through the blood? So,
teachers, at this time, please submit homeroom attendance. Teachers, please submit homeroom attendance.
So if we really think about it, the digestive system, does it move air? Does the stomach and our mouth and our intestines move air? No, right? So this answer choice would not have made sense. So I'm going to put an X. And then moves oxygen. Does this system move oxygen? No, it's the respiratory. The respiratory system does move oxygen, but not the digestive system. We said that the digestive system had to do with food and nutrients. So our best answer here is that the digestive system breaks down nutrients, which is true. We eat and then it breaks it down, and then it gets all our good nutrients and it goes all over our blood so we can have energy and so our bodies can function. So our answer choice here should have been the first one. Once you are done, boys, do not forget to take pictures and submit it to Teams, and give a thumbs up for attendance. Once you are done, you are good. We will see you here tomorrow.